Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
I asked if y'all was ready for another burping compilation. Shout out to those who got in them comments. I present to y'all burping compilation.
It tastes like Mountain Dew mixed with like an orange cream soda, like a cream soda.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. That was not supposed to come out. Excuse me. Oh, good Lord. Oh, hell no. Oh, it's strong. Oh. Woo! Oh, it's strong. Oh. Woo! Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that bell. Excuse me. Cheers. Let's get into it. Okay. Ooh, hold on, y'all. Ooh. Ooh, this Sprite is strong. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. 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 Excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, excuse me.
You try. You try.
Oh. Oh.
Don't do a burp.
Excuse me. Woo, that was a fire burp. Oh, good Lord. Excuse me. Oh. Y'all see them closed mouths? Them closed mouth burps, y'all feel like it just go back down my throat, it go on through my nose. Ugh. Not very. Oh, help me. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Woo. I lied. I got one more sip now. And then your girl is done. This is it for this video. Excuse me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and everybody be safe, okay? Bye.